President William Ruto ni atariria ati thirikari yake ni gukorwo ikinyihanyihia uria thirikari irahuthira kigina kia muingi na kuga ati ni kuri na moritu maingi mekumana na itua ria guteaniria watho wa kigina. President Ruto uria wariti hindi ya gikaro na nyumba cia mohoro thingiraini wa irigi muthenya wa ira oho ni augite ati ni kuri na maundu megukorwo makirugama kumana na itua riri.
And I know people have raised issues of CS, for example. I deliberately, even after Parliament had approved the position of CS, I have not appointed any CS because I realized that we were in a situation that we could not. And no CS will be appointed until we have an economy that can support more opportunities. I know citizens have said that there is no need for the office of the First Lady or Second Lady.
Third Lady.
These are offices that were there. But because we have to live within our means, those offices from tomorrow, this new budget which is starting tomorrow, they will not be part of our equation. Because in the face of what has happened, we have to trim down every other area. And in fact, not just those, many other spaces are going to be trimmed down to reflect the new reality, especially after the finance bill was taken down by myself. When I said we take this down, we are going to cut our clothes. We are going to cut our coat, the size of our clothes. We're going to reduce money going to counties. We're going to reduce money going to the judiciary. When I came into office, the judiciary was getting 18 billion. Today, they are getting 25 billion. But it was because I believed in the rule of law.